皆さん、ごきげんよう、小島です。今日はですね、ラピッドシェイプの社長のアンドレアスさんに来ていただきました。ウェルカム。アンドレアス社長と、あと日本で、ラピッドシェイプを展開していただいている、後もお世話になっております。コアフロントの畑井社長です。はい。よろしくお願いします。いや、聞きます。はい。あと、いつも本当にお世話になっております。白崎さんです。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。Do you explain your product, the wonderful product for the Japanese people?
Yes, absolutely, and with pleasure. So, in the 3D printer, as mentioned before, it starts with the internal scanning, then it goes over the design, and then it starts with the printer. So we have here the E20 printer, which is a small in-office printer, which is capable to produce up to 2 models at a time, or even up to 7 aligners at a time. The production time will be for models between 30 minutes, and for several aligners up to 45 minutes. So, but it's a very, very quick thing.
Initially, so your recommendation is the D20, right?
If you start with some treatments, I would propose for a D20. If you go for a little bit a larger production and you want to have automation in the system, then I would propose the D30. The difference between the D20 and the D30 is
I want to translation to the Japanese market.
Oh yes, oh yes.
ただ、一番初めに先生方がもしアライナー矯正治療を始めるとしたら、D20、D20 がとても良いです。小さいサイズで、The one time is a creation in the 7 alignment, right?
Yes.
D20.
Yes.
D20 だと7枚のアライナーを作ります。Around 30 minutes?
30 to 40 minutes.
30 minutes. だいたい30分から40分でツインニングが完成します。なので、一番初めに先生方がもし、ラピッドシェイプを始めたいなと思われるときには D20 を使われるのがいいです。あと僕たちも初め D20 ですね。はい。一番初め。はい。Our team is initially I buy D20. That is very nice, right?
And if you buy a D20, then it goes perfectly along with the washing and curing system. And this is what we see on the right side. Because the washing and curing system, they just take all the parts that you just made and you just flip it into the washing system.
Yeah.
The washing system is automatically washing, so you don't need to do anything. You just need to press the button. That's it.
Yeah. D20 でプリンティングした後に、ウォッシングをするのと、あと、ライトキャリング、光重合をするんですね。その時に、僕たちのですね、ラピッドシェイプを使う前は、必ずなんか違うボックス入れたりとかしてたんですね。はい。ですけど、ラピッドシェイプの、ウォッシングマシン、ライトキャリングとか、ボタンを1つ押すだけで、全部オートマチックでできてくれます。なので、中のアルコールを吸い取ってくれたりとか、あとはすごく匂いが抑えられてるんですね。あと、光のキュアリングもものすごく早くできますので、How about the curing and allow the washing? Total time.
Total time for washing is 8 minutes, and total time for curing is another 8 to 10 minutes.
Total in the 15 minutes around.
50 to 60 minutes. So we try to do with whatever we do below 1 hour.
Okay.
Because I think this is the acceptable time that the patient can still wait. So everything below 1 hour.
だいたいキュアリング、光重合とウォッシュするのに8分、8分、16分ぐらい。ということは、3D プリンティングして、キュアリングして、ウォッシュするのに1時間以内で、患者様にご提供するというのを、ラピッドシェイプの会社はコンセプトとして考えられる。Your company concept in less than 1 hour is a release for the patient, right?
Yes.
That is amazing. That is very
in less than 1 hour with a very easy and a clean handling, which does not distract either the doctor or the doctor assistant too much from technology.
Yeah.
We wanted that the technology is working automatically for the clinic.
それも大事なことは何かというと、早くて、きれいで、簡単であって、1時間以内にご提供するというのがすごく重要。But not only fast, very important thing is precisely, right?
Yes. You cannot go for speed if you sacrifice on quality. And therefore, Rapidshape has invented the force feedback technology. That means when you produce by a 3D printer, then you create layer by layer by layer. And this is creating the 3-dimensional object.
The feedback is a force system.
And the force system is just making sure that the layers by layers are created gently because you have to separate them at any time. And so we measure the force in real time, making sure that we have speed and handling it with high quality at the same time.
Very important. This part is have to read or explain from the book. President Hatai is better. 社長、ハタイさん、今の超重要じゃないですか。このところはちょっと日本語で、ご説明してください。はい。早いだけじゃなくて、そうですね。はい。クオリティのところなんです。
やっぱりクオリティが大事。今世の中いっぱいもう毎年のように新しいものが出てきますけれども、ずっともうラピッドシェイプは10年近く、最初のパイオニアとしてですね、デンタルマーケットのプリンターを始めてまして、そのよく合憲でですね、あとメンテナンスの方も我々も日本で全部教育を受けた人間が全国まで守ってますので、その意味において全然安心して使っていただけるかと思います。
ありがとうございます。この15分、
はい。
その説明をちょっとしていただきます。そこは、そこ一番超重要な。
超重要ですね。
もうちょっと入れていただきます。ここはやっていくことをこつけてください。
はい、篠崎です。フォースフィードバックシステムっていうのが、特許なんですけども、一層を剥がすときの、抵抗力をリアルタイムで計測して、一層が剥がれた瞬間にそれ以上の上昇するのをやめて、次の層に行く。で、剥がすときの力加減もちょっとずつ剥がして、ちょっと上げて待つっていう、要は変形を極力減らす剥がし方をしているので、トップレベルの精度とスピードを両立しているっていうのが大事なの。
その特許です。名前は何ですか？
フォースフィードバックシステム。
Force feedback system is a patent on your company's products, right? Only your company product.
We have
force feedback system. Another company products 3D printer never have force feedback product.
It's an exclusive license from us.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Good works.
Yes.
This is a German for the streets, German and mind. Because good for the quality, very faster, and more safety, precisely.
This is exactly giving quality, speed at the same time.
Yeah. Force feedback system.
Yes.
This is a patent. これはラピッドシェイプだけが持っている世界特許。The worldwide patent, right?
Yes.
世界特許で他の 3D プリンターのシステムには入っていない。
But where there is one, there is another one.
Do you have one more?
Yes.
Yes.
That's true. So,
Yes.
yes. So why? In the small printer, what we have here, still the assistant needs to take off the parts from the printer platform by hand.
Yes. Very difficult.
No, it's not difficult.
Sometimes.
But it's a little strong, in its work. So what we thought is we make another patent. So this is what we made in the 30.
D30.
The D30. And it's actually very simple one that everybody can understand.
Okay.
So
simple and very strongly pointed.
yes, because we print 30 to 35 minutes. And then at the end, there is a cutting system, an automatic cutting system. We just automatically cut off the parts. They are falling in the basket, are presented so that you can take the basket and directly put into the washing system. And the printer continues to work with this next job. Fully automatic.
Which name is patent? Automatically.
It's an automatic cut-off system.
Automatically cut.
ASM.
ASM.
Automatic separation.
This is the only Rapidshape patent.
Yes.
Never have another one.
Rapidshape patent.
Oh. D30.
D30. And the D50.
D30 と D50 は、プリントしたものを自動的にカットして、それをそのまま、you have into
there's a basket. There's a basket.
Inside
Everything included.
D30 はプリントした後に自動的にカットしてバスケットの中に入る。それを 3D プリンターの中に入って、自動的に次の 3D プリントの準備が始まる。This is the automatically next printing is ready to set in this printer, right?
No, D30.
D30, D50.
P30 and P50.
Then no side.
Yeah.
Don't need into my hands,
No,
automatically, everything.
everything automatic. And you even save a little bit of resin because the resin that you cut off is just dripping back into the resin reservoir, so you can reuse it next time.
Wow. E30 はもう次のプリンティングも手を入れることなくできるテントが E30 と D50 ですね。So that means that you're recommending initially if you want to start it for the Rapidshape product, the D20 is first.
Yes.
After that, much more, how I say, the works in the clinic, then you have to buy the next step, the D30.
We have made our printers adjusted to the needs. So if you start with 3D printing, probably a D20 is sufficient because you can start.
Yeah.
But in all my customers, I have seen over the months and even just 1 or 2 years, the demand is growing significantly. So you need to have more things to be printed. So you need more capacity.
Yeah.
So then the next is the D20.
一番初めに D20 で、ラビットシェイプの性能の良さを知っていただいて、でさらにやっぱり使っていくと、その 3D プリンティングが増えますので、そうなったら次は D30 を使われるようにというお話が入れたので。
There are so many more benefits and so many differentiations. But for example, Mr. Hatari-san just mentioned that also the quality of the resin reservoir is very important. Rapidshape has a very unique system where we are based on a glass bottom. Yes, so that the resin reservoir is very long lasting. So it saves you a lot of cost instead of foil resin reservoirs.
Okay.
So there is a lot of details going down in there. But at the end, what I would like you to take out is that if you want to have a reliable system which works for you and which works also at best cost for you, then it's probably interesting to look at the Rapidshape.
That is very important.
Yeah.
日本語で、
はい。ラピッドシェイプのその製品にはこだわっているのはもう一つ大きくハードウェアとしてはですね、リザバーっていうその材料を貯めとくところですけども、そこのガラスをずっとこだわってまして、今結構やっぱ新しいマシンが 3D プリントとして安く出てきているのはありますけど、皆さんそれはフィルムを使ってやっておりますので、それで安くして、初期投資は安いかもしれませんけど、すぐちょっとその交換とかメンテナンスがすごくお金がかかって、その分のガラスですから、そう長持ちしますし、ランニングコストが安くなるというふうに我々はちょっと、そこについているところですね。だからガラスを変える必要はないんですけど、そういうところがあります。
Thank you. Vielen Dank. Do you have more information about the Rapidshape?
There's always
Finally, it's an address. Could you tell me the D50?
Yes.
Not the English, right? The D50 is a very new one.
Yes, as I mentioned before, our customers are growing and we are growing with our customers. So whereas like 4 or 5 years ago, maybe customers have been interested in the first printer, after 2 years, they had already 2 or 3 printers. So we said ourselves, okay, how can we help our customers not having too many printers, which are also then taking up some space? So we have created the D50, and the D50 is a machine which has a very big build platform. So you can, yes, it's a machine which is this and that high, also fully automatic. It has that automatic separation module. The resin is even refilled automatically. And this machine has a very big build plate. You can make up to 20 models at the same time.
20 models.
20 models. You can make probably 100 direct print aligners at the same time.
100?
Over 100.
One time?
Yes. Yes, it's so big. It's very big. You know, if you put them at an angle, you get 100 aligners within 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Yes, sir.
超リアクションだって言って。
I think you said this is bigger.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
45分で100枚のアライナーができる。45 minutes of 100 line, direct print line. 45 minutes.
Automatic cutoff. So you
Automatically
can make
cut
the
out.
next 100 in the next 45 minutes.
Automatically cut out. And D50 is working in the night time, right?
Yes.
So our staff in put on the bottom, D50 working through the night.
Yes.
We started going to the shopping.
Shopping.
Starting go to eating, drinking.
Yes.
This is what is named the new one, including the D50.
The D50 has just all the patterns that we have already for the other printers before it has in it.
Okay.
And it has just made the whole thing at a bigger scale. It has made it at a bigger scale. You know, because if you increase the build size a lot, then you can nest a lot of parts. But what is very important to say, because maybe some people will now be afraid, I need to have 100 aligners. No, I don't need. If you just have 30 or 40 aligners, it also just works. It will take the same time because the number of aligners are not important. It's just that you have the height the print heights.
Yeah.
This is the only thing what is different.
This is different, right?
Yeah. So I was always talking with that put them at a 45 to 50 degree angle, because then you have all the gaps and so on, and the undercuts are perfectly different.
Okay. The D50 is this is a very brand new in the release in Germany or in the world.
It's released in the world.
僕の師匠のシュープ先生がすでに D50 を持ってる。My mentor, my master looked at partnership already have D50. I saw it. That is amazing. Like a new stuff, right?
Yes.
A perfect new stuff.
Yes.
Okay, thanks a lot for the address and ありがとうございました。今回は、YouTube をご覧いただいた先生に、このラピッドシェイプを、提供されているドイツのアンドレアス社長にお越しいただいて、今日お話をいただきました。Vielen Dank.
Thank you for having me. Arigato.
ありがとう。So the next year is they have held in the IDs.
Yes.
Next year.
March.
Okay, at this time I will go there.
Please.
Yes.
There is new stuff to come. So ideas will be very interesting. I think also compared to last year, where there was a lot of COVID. This year there will be a lot more exhibitors on IDS. We expect a lot more visitors and a lot more news.
Last year, not this year.
Last year.
IDS was attended. IDS.
Yes.
The first day the
50. The 50. Yes, it was presented.
Are you saying 50? Yeah, this time.
Yes.
Already you met to him? No, at this time.
maybe no,
Maybe no.
I don't know.
Maybe I was in meetings.
But too many attended. Okay. So次回はですね、IDS でお会いできたら嬉しいんですけど、if we possible to meet again with IDS in Cologne,
Yes.
or something like a Zoom meeting,
Anytime.
because we are already friends, and please for the collaboration together, and waiting for the call from the companies.
Thank you very much.
ありがとうございます。
いいきっかけをいただきましてありがとうございました。
3D プリンターは様々なものがあるんですけど、やっぱりこのクオリティすごく大事で、いい治療をするには、いいクオリティのそのプロダクトというのがすごく重要なので、ぜひ先生方のラピッドシェイプは何なのかというのをぜひ調べてみてください。それでは、皆さん、ごきげんよう。失礼します。
ありがとうございました。